put this on the series of tutorials again. My name is Gol, and previously I did some few tutorials on how to create APIs, and I did not use any database schema, so I went straight ahead and used data structures where I was using list and dictionary. I was able to save. I developed my blog hub, and you guys can actually get it in my previous tutorials. If you go to tutorials here, you'll be able to get through most of these. So just a matter of going through some few basics here, starting from building APIs, writing tests, and integrating Travis. So in this series, I'll be measuring on how to integrate database for the version 2 of the API as well. So that's all for this, and I want to get started. So to get started, I recommend reading on how to install Postgres on Ubuntu and how to use it. And this tutorial is like very straightforward. I'm not like really gonna get time to going through these basics because I find it quite a bit boring, and like I've already written about them. Plus, I will not be able to go and install some of these things directly into my machine, because first, I'm not using Ubuntu. Secondly, I already have Postgres installed, so I might not be able to like really get into the bottom of this. But anyway, to install Postgres, just run this in your Linux terminal. Those two commands. And this is how to log in. So I'll be telling you guys how to do this, how to navigate, how to launch this. But I'll not be telling you guys, or I'll not be showing you guys how to create a new user and a new role. So these ones, you just have to follow this command lines. They're like super straightforward. They're not like quite much of a thing, but that's like super straightforward. So I'll be navigating back to my terminal, and let's get rolling in. Nice. So welcome back. So the fact that you have Postgres installed, I'll be just going through some very quick tutorials or commands that just to get you going. So I already have a user called Marco. I'll be trying to dig in, show you guys how to do some few little stuff before you actually get to the actual code itself. So that's it. Nice. So to get to Postgres, so usually when Postgres is installed, it creates an automatic database called Postgres database, and we want to launch that. So to launch it, just write PSQL. My server is currently running, it's set to automatic Postgres. So the fact that you're seeing this means that you're already in the Postgres terminal, and I'll just be showing you guys some few tricks. So from here, I already have these databases. This database meaning I'm currently switching to this Postgres database currently. So to switch database, to show all databases, I'll just be like \L. It will be able to list all databases that I have. Currently I have 80 databases, and there they are. To switch databases, it's pretty much simple. \C, \C, then the one I want to switch to, test DB. So you can see I'm now connected to TestDB as the user Marco. So this is like my default user that I created. To show tables or to show relations, I'll just type \DT. These are my tables currently, and I just like have them. To create a database, I'll just be like create database. Then the database name, I'm gonna call this my blog. Pretty much simple. So to switch to my blog, C, and nice. Oh, okay. So I did my blog, but I did not close it, so it didn't actually create. So saying syntax error might have been. Okay, pretty much simple. Might have been some errors here and there. Create database, my blog. Yes, sure. So it was created. I had some space that I didn't like really get to resolve. So to switch to my blog database, I'm now connected to my blog database. I can now do /dt. I don't have any tables or relations yet, so that's why you can be able to see this. To create a table, it's so simple. I'll just like create table. Table name, I'll just be using something like test table. I open this, then values, I'll have something like ID and give it a serial. So serial like primary and experimental key. I'll have another one like name, which takes in var. It's going to be pretty simple. Value for the name is 20. Then I'm gonna close that, close it, and closing. That's pretty much simple. So right now, if I do dt, you guys be able to see that I have a table called test table created on a Macro goal, and that's pretty much simple. So those are like some operational commands. If I want to insert, I'll just be doing insert. Sorry. Insert. I'm inserting into test table. Values for the test table, pretty much simple. I'll be like name is the value for the column, then values, pretty much simple. I'll have a brand, then close. Oh, it's insert into, sorry, insert into test table. Oh, what's up? So my table name is wrong. Should be double T. Insert into test table. Whoa, okay, something might be like missing here. Let me check where my error is. I've experienced it like twice. Yes, so I'm actually like really checking this because this is like the second time this is like really screwing me up. I finally managed it. So you see, when I had this, the problem was actually this double quote. So it should actually be a single quote. So like Robert. Okay, Robert. So then you just do a single quote. So by the time you have a double quote, it will automatically fail. So you do double quote. So to check the data, you'll be like select all from test table. Pretty much simple. Able to show you the items that you have, and you can see that the ID is incrementing. So to add a column to that, you just need to do the alter command. So I already have this in the tutorial, so just do alter table, and pretty much simple. So you can actually see what this is. So for example, you can have, like, for example, alter table. Then you can see what you can have. So alter table, test table. You want to add last or add date added, and then this just takes the date attribute. So it's pretty much as simple as that, and the table is already altered. So if you do a select table, you can see there's another column which is here. It has already been automatically, and you can do things like default things, but not like super mask things. So that is all I wanted to show you guys in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be connecting this database to our blog app, and see you there. Thank you. So check out this and subscribe to this YouTube tutorial, please subscribe, share with your guys as well. So in the next tutorial for this, I'll be connecting this database to our blog app, and you guys can automatically now see how our app is growing.